Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to give you an update on quakes along the North American Craton. I've taken Earthquake 3D and added the North American Craton. It's represented by these this dark line coming down the west side of the United States, Nevada, New Mexico, Arizona, down through Texas, Louisiana, up through Virginia, New York, Pennsylvania, and so forth, and then all the way up through Canada, up into Greenland. So let's go through and look at the quakes for the last 7 days. So I'm going to show them now, and we'll progress through the week. There are your typical quakes in the middle of the country in Oklahoma. Some of those may be caused by fracking. They're spilling up into Kansas. There are some quakes in Kansas. There's a quake near the New Madrid. This is the New Madrid, approximately right there. So that's a little further west in Arkansas, the top part of Arkansas. Here's a quake up here in Washington. Swinging it around didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's progress on here. Here's a quake in Vegas on the line there with New Mexico. There's one 3.1 probably associated with Yellowstone, which I have labeled here. It's a little south of Yellowstone, but it's probably part of the Yellowstone area. More in Oklahoma and Kansas. Additional one there on the border with New Mexico. Notice this 6.2 quake down here in Mexico, the country of Mexico. Is this pushing up on the Craton maybe and causing some of these quakes? Because there seem to be more than normal. Proceeding on here through the week, more quakes in Oklahoma. And a quake up here just to the west of Yellowstone, Idaho. That's probably associated with Yellowstone, and that's real close to the Craton there. Let's put the rings on, magnitude rings, give you an idea. And note all these quakes here down to the south. Could they be pushing? Here, quakes up here in Iceland. Quakes over here in Panama. Now let's reverse the trend. Turn off the rings. Going back in time, just so you can see the progression. And let's go forward in time one more time. Okay. Now let's put the rings back on. And let's zoom out. And take a real quick spin around the globe. Look at all these quakes down here. This is pushing on the Pacific plate, which is the Ring of Fire. Just an incredible amount of quakes. Of course, we had the blood red moon on October 8th, 2 days ago. I did another video that showed we did have some increase in larger quakes during that period. Not as many as the first blood moon, red moon, in April 15th of this year. Look at these quakes over northern Africa, southern Europe. So the world's shaking quite a bit. These were the 6.7 and the 7.2. These could be pushing on this side of the ring of fire and then up onto the Craton. So anyway, looks like the Craton's been more active this week. Maybe it was associated with the blood moon or blood red moon or not. But anyway, stay tuned for further updates. This is Old John signing out.